Hey guys! Okay, so today's video is sponsored by Cossy Kids Magnetic Toys and Magnetic Tiles. Y'all, they sent my kids these two amazing boxes. They each have 120 pieces of magnetic building blocks. Oh my goodness, these were so much fun. Yeah, okay. Let's open it up, okay? You ready?
Yeah.
Whoa! That's so cool. Look at that.
What?
That's so neat.
Stars. Yay, stars.
Yay.
Hey.
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow, are those so cool?
Yeah. It's that.
What color is that?
Yellow.
Yellow. Yellow.
Stars.
All right, look. So what we can do.
Stars.
Yeah, they're triangles. So you got all sorts of shapes. So this is really cool. So these are magnetic. Oh, what? That's pretty awesome. That's really cool. What'd you see, Jack? You want to come look at them?
Yeah.
Yeah? Look, there's little cars. And you can build up the cars. That's so neat. All right, so look. We can take these. So look at that. We can do.
Ooh.
We can do a box. Yeah. Look, you can make a house. Stick them there. Look at that. That's like a little house. Look, you can make all of this like cool stuff. Yeah.
It's amazing.
It's amazing. I think so too, babe.
No, we need to make a castle. Castle.
A castle?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. We could make a castle. Let's see. So it comes with this. It comes with this booklet, and there are so many ideas in here. What? Look at all these. That is so awesome.
Mommy, look at those. My windows.
Isn't that neat? All right, so let's look at one of these. Let's try to build one. Let's find a more simple one though.
Thank you.
Do you want to try to do that castle?
Yeah.
There's no escaping, you've been found. There's no escaping, you've been found. You've played your last card, you're going down, going down. And the years that you've stolen, I'm taking back. I'm spending all my time breaking chains, breaking lies that have weighed me down. Oh, I know I'm not out of the woods yet, but I'm pushing into the light ahead, and it feels good. Oh, the years that you've stolen, I'm taking back. I'm spending all my time breaking chains, breaking lies that have weighed me down. Oh, I know I'm not out of the woods yet, but I'm pushing into the light ahead, and it feels good.
We need people in
You
there.
love that?
What about the
So
people?
Jack wanted to build this right here, this little rocket, so he did.
What's that?
Yeah, does that look so good, man?
We need a red bedroom.
You feel?
Yeah. We need always a purple one.
We do.
The black one.
I don't know if there's black ones. All right, and they were so awesome. They sent us 2 boxes, so Keys gets one he can play with. All right, you ready? All right, let's see. Here we go. Face.
Mommy, look. We need to laugh hard.
Woo, is that so cool, man? Here, we'll keep that. That's the idea book. So you have a little car. You've got 2 little cars that it comes with. So that's really neat. And then it has all these tiles. So you can build up stuff on the sides if you want to. And look, this is like a castle border. That's really cool. They have little borders. You could do a castle. You could build all kinds of awesome things. I love these. What do you think, bud?
Wow, Mom.
Wow. Do you love it, Liren?
Yeah. It would try.
Okay.
Get back in the tech castle. This is the nice.
Is that cool, buddy? It's pretty good. You do it. I love this idea booklet. So you have really simple ones that your younger kids can do. And then,
No.
as it goes up, you have more that your older kids can do. And they get a little bit more and more complicated as you go on.
Mommy, I made that. Watch, look. Look. I made the biggest piece.
Wow! It's so cool. Oh, did you make a house? Oh boy.
Mommy, look. There.
Right there. Can you count how many there are?
1, 2.
No, 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good. Yay. See a finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Mama did this thing with the tiles. All right. So I wrote letters on all of them. You see that? You see that?
Yeah.
So we have letter A.
A.
Good job. And we have letter B.
B.
Good. And we have letter C. Good. So A, B, C.
C, E.
What comes after C? A, B, C.
C, B, C.
A, B, C.
C.
D.
D.
Good. We have letter D.
D.
All right, so we put that right there. What comes after D? A, B, C, D.
B. C.
E.
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 We have letter E. Hold on, Ren. I'm showing Keezy. So we have A, B, C, D, E,
C.
F, G. Good. F, G. Good boy. I'm sorry, the camera's shaking. You guys. F. And G. You got G right too. All right, so we have A, B, C, D, E, F, G,
H.
H. Good boy. He's starting to remember now. H.
H.
Yeah, we have the letter H. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Good. I. Singing and song has always been Narcisa's best way of learning things. Okay, so A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, J. You can spell We can also put them up so we can have a letter box.
A happy box.
Yeah.
A happy box.
A letter box. So what I did with these, you guys, I recommend Sharpies. I found out that the dark blue ones work the best in terms of like showing up, but I just put Sharpies on them and did a little bit of alphabet letters, and this is awesome to help teach keys and to help refresh his memory over the summer, because you guys could see this is the first time I'm doing it with him, and he's already remembering, like it's already jogging his memory to be like, oh yeah, you know, that letter comes after that letter. So I think that's pretty cool, huh, man?
Hello, guys.
You say it again?
Hello, guys.
He says, how are you guys? Are y'all good? So this is something Lyran's been doing on her own. She's taking Mickey.
No.
Hold on, look, we're taking Mickey, and Mickey goes A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I.
Yeah.
Is that good? You can do it, Keys. Get Mickey. See, can you bounce Mickey on the letters?
Cheeky.
I. J.
J.
A. Go listen. I'll also sometimes say, okay, put the daddy on letter C, and she'll take daddy and set him on letter C. Or, oh, take grandpa. Let's put grandpa on letter G. I'm just giving you guys an example.
A, D, A, G, A.
Yeah.
A, G, G,
Yeah. He's jumping on the letter E, huh?
G. O.
Thanks again, Cossy, for sponsoring today's video.